Hey everyone, it's Yoselin and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer makeup tutorial with Merit Makeup. They reached out to me and sent me some of their products, and I thought it'd be a fun idea to do a makeup tutorial with them. Merit is a minimal makeup brand, and if you know me, you know that I love natural makeup, so I'm really excited to see these products. So without further ado, let's get started. So I already cut the box open. So the front of the box just says Merit, and when you open it up, there's a little info card, and if you guys want to read it, you can. And then this is the front of the card. And then inside the box, it just says less is more. In this box, it has this bag. And with your first purchase with Merit Makeup, you get this little bag. It looks like this. This is so cute. So here's the little bag. I already untied it. And this feels like really nice quality. So inside, I have all the products. And I'm going to start off with concealer because that's what I'd usually start off with. So here is the concealer. It looks like this. I got the shade Khaki. I'm really excited to try this out. So this is what the concealer looks like. It's really simple packaging. And I have a mirror right here, so I'm going to be looking in that. So I just took the lid off. It has this really cute imprint of the logo, and I'm gonna be trying this out. I'm really tan right now, so I chose a darker color because it's summertime and I'm extra tan, so hopefully this is my shade. I'm putting this under my eyes. Now I'm gonna blend this out with my fingers. I'm gonna blend the other side now. Their makeup is really natural, so the concealer is buildable, but it is a really natural amount of coverage. I've now concealed all the spots that I wanted to, and I forgot to show you guys a close-up of what the concealer looks like, but this is just how it looks like when you take the lid off. Another great thing about Merit Beauty is they're vegan and cruelty-free, which is just an awesome thing about their brand. So I'm going to be moving on to eyebrows now, and this is what the packaging looks like. I'm gonna open it up. I got the shade Black Brown. I do have dark hair, but since my hair is bleached right now, I felt like this would be the best shade. Oh my gosh, I love this packaging. This makeup has a luxury look to it, and this is the packaging, and I absolutely love it. And there you can see it says Merit on it. So it just looks like this when you open it up. And I'm going to put this on my eyebrows. I like to focus more on the tail of my eyebrow just because I like it to be darker at the tail and then lighter in the front. And it actually is doing a great job of making my eyebrows look more full because I have very sparse brows over here. And this is making it look like they're not sparse. What I like about this is that it's really easy to do. All I have to do is brush it through my eyebrows and I'm done. Okay, now I'm going to be doing the blush. So it's in here. So this is what the blush looks like. It's in this packaging. And they all have the same type of packaging. It's just different shaped boxes. I hope I say this right, but I got the shade Terracotta. And this is what the blush looks like. It's again really clean and minimal packaging. And then there's the blush. Like a really nice natural pink. I kind of just dab it on and then I'll blend it out with my fingers. I put some on my nose and on my cheekbones. And then I'm going to blend this out with my finger. Blush has a really nice natural look, which I feel like is great because I really like natural makeup and this makeup is really natural and minimal. So the blush is done. I really liked it. It had a really smooth formula, kind of like the concealer. It's really blendable. So I'm actually going to be going back in with concealer, but this is the brush that I'm going to be using. It just looks like this. It's in this little wrap. Usually under my eyes, I don't use a brush to do my concealer, but I do still have a blemish. So I'm gonna kind of build up the concealer after I did my blush so I can kind of spot treatment better. And now I'm gonna use this to blend it out. It's a really soft bristled brush, but it blends out the concealer really nicely. I used my fingers to blend the concealer under my eye, but this brush is blending the concealer a lot faster. I think I like using the brush better than my fingers. It blended out really smoothly. That was the brush, and now I'm going to be going in with the mascara. This is my favorite part just because I love mascara. This is what the packaging looks like, and I'm gonna open it up. This is the packaging, really nice packaging. And the brush looks like this. I kind of blink when I put on my mascara just so I can get closer to the root. Okay, so that eye's done, and now I'm gonna be doing this eye. This is just one coat of the mascara, and this is how my eyelashes are looking. I think I'm gonna do 2 coats just because I usually do 2 coats. I'm really picky with my mascaras just because I don't like clumpy mascara, but this mascara is not clumpy at all. It just makes my eyelashes look really nice. So I'm gonna go in with my second coat now. I'm gonna just blink and I brush through my eyelashes with the mascara. Okay, there's that one, and I'm gonna do this one. This is what the mascara looks like. It makes my eyelashes look really long and full, and I really like it. I think that might be my new favorite mascara. On to their last product, and it is their tinted lip oil. Here is the packaging. So I got the shade All Natural, and it just looks like this. It's a lip oil, so it's not going to be full coverage, but I like really natural lip products, so hopefully this is that. Really natural color, that's why I chose this one. They have other options for colors, but I just really liked this one. Okay, so this was the summer makeup. It just looks like this. It's really natural, really simple to do. It looks like my skin, but better. It looks really glowy. I really like it. I'd say my favorite product is probably the mascara, just because it's really hard for me to find mascaras that aren't like clumpy, and this one just makes my eyelashes look really nice, so I really like that. I really like their makeup. It's really good quality, and it's great that it's vegan and cruelty free. I feel like that's really nice to have in a makeup brand. I'll also have a link in my description if you guys want to check their products out. This was the finished makeup look, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!